Welcome back to the channel. Today, we'll take a look at the Sengled Strip Lights, exploring its key features, quick start guide, and what makes it a great choice. What's in the box? Inside the box, you'll find the Sengled Strip Lights, a power adapter, a smart controller, a mounting kit, a user manual, and a quick start guide to help you get set up in no time. Installation. To install the Sengled Smart LED multicolor light strip, first clean and dry the mounting surface for a secure fit. Peel off the adhesive backing and attach the light strip to the desired area using the included mounting kit. Connect the strip to the smart controller, plug in the power adapter, and turn on the light. Use the Sengled app to complete the setup and connect it with your smart home system for easy control of colors, brightness, and lighting effects. How to pair. To pair the LED light strip, download the Sengled Home App and sign in to your account. Turn on the light strip, then follow the in-app instructions to add a new device. Connect the strip to your Wi-Fi network and complete the setup. Once paired, you can control colors, brightness, and lighting modes directly from your smartphone or compatible smart home assistant. Smart features? Sync your LED lights with your favorite music and enjoy dynamic color changes that move with the rhythm. The built-in sound detection creates an immersive atmosphere for parties, gaming, and entertainment. Set schedules and timers to automate your lighting routine. The lights can turn on or off automatically, helping create a convenient and energy-efficient smart home experience. Specifications. FAQs. Safety precautions. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link in the description below to grab your Sengled light strip. See you in the next one.